Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel I introduce the best crypto games and projects. Today I want to introduce another free play to earn game that you can withdraw your money from it through crypto and Payeer and PayPal. To download this game you must follow these steps. First, you must open your browser and enter this URL m.cash-friends.com. You can see this address in this video's description too. After that, you have to click on the Start Earning button and select the Register. On the next page, you must set an email address and password for your account and then click on the Get Verified Code button. A code will be sent to your email that you must enter. If you like, you can also use the referral code and then click on the sign up button. After registration, you must click on the Start Earning button and click on the Android button to download the game. After downloading the game, you must click on the Activate Now button to enter the game. You must agree to the game rules and log into your account. You must log into the game with the same Gmail account that you registered on the website. After logging in, it says that you have to spin the lucky draw 6 times and reach level 5 to activate your account. As you can see, I have activated my account. To activate your account, you must spin the lucky draw 6 times. To spin the lucky draw, you must go to the lucky draw section and spin the wheel. It will show you an ad. You must do this 6 times. After that, your account will be activated. There is a chest section here. You can open this chest every 2 hours by seeing an ad. It gives you various prizes such as game coins which you can convert them to real money later. There is a award section here. You can do daily tasks and reach achievements here and get rewards. There is a shop here that you can buy various boosters from it. Every day you can go to check-in section and get rewards too. Okay. These were the basics of the game. Now, let me show you the gameplay. Now let me show you how to withdraw your money from this game. Withdrawing money from this game is very easy. Just after reaching the minimum amount, which is 10,000 coins, you must go to the website and click on the withdraw button. You have 5 options to withdraw your money from this game. I recommend these 2 methods, TRX and Payeer. For TRX, you must have at least 10,000 coins and then you must enter your TRC20 wallet address. As you can see at the moment of video recording, the minimum amount for withdrawal was 6,000 coins. The minimum amount may change over time. For Payeer, you must enter your Payeer account number and have at least 10,000 coins. You can earn more by referring your friends to this game. For each friend, you will be rewarded 400 coins and 20% of that friend's earning. Note that your friend must activate the game. Okay, thanks for being with us. If you are interested in making money from crypto games and projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel. There are several similar games like these that I will introduce them soon. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.